The lion, symbol of dominance, clashes with the hyena, a cunning challenger. Every step is a gamble. Every strike could shift the crown of supremacy. Who is the king? Who is the contender? Perhaps no one holds the throne forever. Perhaps the savannah belongs not to any individual, but to an ancient law. The most resilient will survive. In the animal documentary Lions vs. Hyenas, Who Rules the African Plains? You'll witness breathtaking moments, roars, struggles, and the triumphant laughter echoing in the dark. In the savannah, the price of weakness is extinction.